Hey everyone, welcome back to another SAT math video. This is a question from the official 2024 test uh, bundle 5 math module 2 linked in the description below. What is the slope of the graph of y equals 1/3 times the quantity 29x plus 10 plus 5x in the xy plane? Okay, so this question is pretty easy. You basically have to remember the fundamental concept of slope-intercept form, right? Because that's kind of what they gave us this graph in. They gave us this graph in slope-intercept form, right? And if you don't remember what slope-intercept form, it is y equal to mx plus b, right? So here we kind of have that, right? We have y equals, right? We have that part, but our mx term is kind of spread out. We have it spread out across these two different terms, right? We have this 1/3 times a quantity and then a 5x, right? So if they want to, if we want to know what the slope is, right, we really only care about m, right? So we really only need to figure out what the x term is. So to do that, we just need to simplify 1 over 3 times 29x and then add 5x to it. We don't even care about anything else, right? Because we only want to know the slope, so we're just going to solve for the slope, right? So we need to figure out 1/3 times 29x and then add 5x to that, right? So let's simplify that. So 1/3 times 29x, that's just going to be 29x over 3, right? Because we just multiply the numerators by the numerators and then the denominators by the denominators, right? And then now we need to add 5x to our 29x over 3. And since this is with a denominator of 1 on the bottom, we need to make it have a denominator of 3. So we will multiply it by 3 over 3. That will make us have a denominator of 3 on the bottom, and then we can combine these two fractions, right? So then 29x over 3 plus 5x times 3, that's going to be 15x over 3. And then now we can simplify further. That is going to be 29 plus 15. Well, I know 30 plus 15 is 45, so 29 is one less than 30. So that must be 44x over 3. So that means our slope is equal to 44 over 3. So there you have it. That's all you had to do for this question. What did we have to do? We just had to identify first that the concept they're testing us on is slope-intercept form. And we then had to realize that since we're just solving for the slope, we just needed to figure out the simplified version of the x term for this equation. And to do that, we just basically uh, simplified this fraction, right? We basically times 1/3 by 29x and then added 5x to it. So that's all you had to do for this question. Pretty straightforward. I would consider this one pretty easy. But let me know in the comments if there's anything you didn't understand or any ways that I can improve these videos. Check out Khan Academy. It's linked in the description at the very top. It has a lot of good SAT practice. And then there are some other links for you to check out that might help you learn something. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.